Hi, I'm Lisa Lewtan. I'm a life coach, health coach, and mindfulness teacher all rolled into one. I'd like to teach you about a tool called a self-compassion pause. You know those times when you're just feeling so overwhelmed and like beating yourself up, like I haven't got enough done, I'm not good enough, all that crazy stuff that comes up? Well, just stop right now, pause, close your eyes, take some deep breaths. And put your hand on your heart and repeat after me. I'm doing the best I can. 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 This is something you can do throughout the day or whenever you need it. And let's face it, we all need it. So I hope you enjoy this tool. I hope you have a fabulous day. And I hope you know that I know that you're doing the best you can. And that's perfectly good enough. Take care.